Okay, so let's walk in to the lobby so you can see what it looks like. It's a very high-rise feeling because it is a high-rise. It just feels very, very nice, elegant. This is something that you would see in Uptown or Victory Park. It's just a very, very nice high-rise, and it stands out. There's 24/7 concierge services right there, and ready to take care of your needs. So you're covered. You're living high-rise style when you're here, and you've got a just gorgeous place. This is very recently built, so it's beautiful. Let's walk through here just so you can see a little bit more of what's on this first floor. The amenities are on the 25th floor, but just want you to see this and what's here. So you can pick up your mail right ahead. There's the elevators that are right over there, and there's a business center that's here too. So we'll see some more space that's on the 25th floor, but this is also a great area to co-work. So you're gonna have a wonderful co-working area here too. So this is awesome. Look at this, so much space. So many, oh gosh, this is huge. Look at this. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces right over there, and they all have multiple plugs. So you can tell this is built really, really well for co-working. This is just kind of a relaxation area that's here. We're here, and then you've got more spaces over here that you can enjoy for co-working. This is great. This is superior. So good combination of just spaces you can relax in, but also you can work here too. You can see over there, oh, and there's some coffee, so you can pick up your coffee, your free coffee there anytime you need it, just right there. That's awesome. And then you do have this conference room that's a private conference room as well. So that's really, really nice to have that. And great co-working space. I'm just really impressed. Really, really pretty co-working space. This is awesome. Looks like there's another co-working private facility or private office that's in there too. So nice, love it. And then of course, here's your mailroom that's right here. So you can kind of see this real briefly, easy to check your mail in here. So super nice, love it. Okay, so let's go see some models and amenities. Can't wait for you to see them. We're gonna be walking into these elevators and then check those out.